Hi, welcome to Simple Rev Twt. In this video, we want to show you how to make money online using Twitter. Remember in the previous video rather, I was showing you how to make money online using Facebook. As in this series, we want to talk about how to make money online using social media. Let's get started right now. So with Twitter, we have an estimated of 1.45 million daily active Twitter users. That's a big number to reach, right? The bigger the audience, the more chances of us making money using that platform. Right, so these are the ways by which you can make money online on Twitter. One, you can promote your business to your followers. Two, you can promote your affiliate links to your followers. Three, there's the direct response approach. I'll show you how it goes like. Four, you can sell your tweets to advertisers. Let's talk about number one. Before we talk about number one, let's talk about the materials that are needed. One, you need a data or Wi-Fi connection. You need a smartphone, of course. A laptop or a desktop will be an added advantage. You need an active Twitter account with at least 100 tweets, 100 followers, 200 followers, and at least 100 tweets. And that must be active for the last 60 days. Let's talk about the first option. So you have an option to promote your business to your followers. So you get free traffic to either your website or you promote by simply sending tweets to your followers. Remember to tag accounts with a big following for possible retweets. If you get more retweets, it means more business for you. Number two, let's talk about promoting affiliate products. You have to promote your affiliate products on your Twitter timeline. I advise you to find a paying niche, for example, dieting, fitness, or anything that is health related. I advise you also to check on clickbank.com or Avon for example affiliate links. Don't worry much if you're hearing affiliate marketing for the first time. We have a full video, rather a separate affiliate marketing course that will be dropping shortly. Right. So these are the top affiliate marketing websites. We have ShareSale, we have Amazon Associates, we have ClickBank, and many others who go deeper into this when we start the affiliate marketing course. Number three, the direct response approach. So with this method, you just go onto Twitter, you search for a certain key phrase or a key term. Once you get something that is in line with what you're looking for, you engage your potential clients, you negotiate with them, maybe for a possible joint venture, or you negotiate with them for a possible deal. Maybe you can do something for them, and in return, you make money. Repeat the same process if it's working for you. So this is how you go about it. Let's say you want to, um, right? Let's say I want to search for renovations in Zimbabwe. I want to see if there are any people who want to do renovations or we are doing renovations. Maybe I'm a builder. I'm mainly focused with renovating people's houses. So you can see like here, you can get in touch with this person for all house construction and renovations, maybe for either a possible joint venture, or you may want to get some information from them. If you're a social media manager, it will be great so that you can engage them. Hi, I need to manage your social media account for your business. This is what I do, and this is what you give me in return. You use your negotiation skills, you look the deal, you make money. Great. So let's move on to the fourth and the last approach. We have the option of selling your tweets to your followers. Number one, we have a website called Sponsored Tweets. With sponsored tweets, you need 50 followers, at least 100 tweets, and 60 plus days. Your account must be 60 plus days old. We have My Likes, whereby you connect your Twitter or YouTube blog, you schedule posts, and get paid as little as 42 cents per click. We also have Adly, where you monetize your reach by tweeting for brands that you like. We have Rev Twt, TWT. It's a Twitter-based advertising service that pays you per click. So it means more followers, more money. And the last one is Tweet Ad. Here you set your own pay per click. You wait for advertiser to accept your bid, and you make money. All right. So for sponsored tweets and all the other websites that I talked about, you will see the links in the description of this video. So for sponsored tweet, you come here, then you sign as a creator. If you want to make money by creating content, let's say I come here, I'll click sign as a creator, then you sign in. I'll do something there. All right, but as you sign in, then you'll be able to create your account if you haven't created your account, or sign in if you've created your account already, and follow the simple instructions thereafter. We go on to adly.com. This is how it looks like. So I'll include the links in the description of this video. Then this is Tweet Ad and all the others. I'll include the links in the description of this video. All right, let's move on. All right, so this marks the end of this short presentation. Any comments or any experiences in any of these platforms that I gave you? Please remember to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any other videos. Click the bell icon, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.